Oppo has launched their new selfie expert in India, the Oppo F7. It comes with edge-to-edge display and gets notched. Let's take a first look at the smartphone with some camera samples. The F7 comes in three colors: red, greyish silver and a special edition diamond cut finish black. What I got here is the red model. How does it look? Let me know in the comments. Not much has changed design terms from the previous F5. The rear though is glossy this time and the fingerprint sensor area has a mirror finish too. The rear panel is still plastic but in glossy finish. There is a 16 megapixel single camera, a surprise here since everyone expects a dual camera setup these days. The top has a mic, the bottom has a speaker grill, audio jack, another mic and a micro USB port. At least next time, please bring the Type-C. The right side has the power button and SIM tray. It houses two SIM slots and a dedicated micro SD card slot. The phone supports 4G VoLTE. The left side has the volume controls. The edges and the corners are smooth for easy handling. The red color though is eye candy. The phone weighs 158 grams and is 7.8 mm in thickness. The front has a 6.23-inch IPS LCD display boasting of a edge-to-edge screen. The notch on top sets the trend for this year in Android smartphones. The display has Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. There are on-screen navigation keys. The notch houses a 25 megapixel camera, earpiece receiver and sensors. The display is bright and is good. The display settings has a notch area display control and a blue filter toggle. The phone runs on Android Oreo 8.1 with ColorOS 5. It is powered by MediaTek P60 with a choice of 4GB RAM and a 64GB storage or 6GB RAM and a 128GB storage options. The software features include split screen, dual apps, game acceleration, virtual key navigation, swipe up gesture navigation, 3-finger screenshot, gesture controls, etc. We'll do a separate video on the F7 features. There is a fingerprint sensor as well as the face recognition. The phone has a gyroscope sensor so it supports VR. The camera, as I mentioned earlier, has a 25 megapixel selfie camera and a single 16 megapixel at the rear. There are AR stickers and artificial intelligence. The AI has 16 intelligence scene detection as well as it offers better selfie capabilities. There is portrait mode in both front and rear, though it is done on the software side. There is a vivid mode too that bumps up the saturation. Here are some early samples. The phone can take videos up to 1080p. There is a 3400 mAh battery that needs to be tested for the performance. We'll share it in the fuel review. So that's about the Oppo F7. What do you think about this device? Share your thoughts, and if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. This is Lash Majan signing off for Tech Raman. Have a great day. Cheers.